Hey guys, Levi from the Rag Company, and in today's video we're going to be talking about Solution Finish. Now, Solution Finish is a trim restore that is as simple as wiping it on and wiping off. Now, it comes in two colors. It comes in the standard black and fusion gray. And the reason for this is not all trim is black. Some of it is gray, and that's why Chris West actually made two different variations. So, it doesn't matter what type of car you have, you can pick the right trim color for your vehicle. Now, the process is very simple. We're gonna clean and wash the plastics that we have, and then we're gonna use an alcohol wipe down on them. Now, you can use any type of paint prep that you might have lying around or a wax and grease remover, but we do recommend that you use an alcohol mixture of about 50-to-1 with water to wipe the surface clean. Then you want to make sure that it's very dry. You can use a hair dryer in this situation or even compressed air to really make sure that all the pores are as dry as possible. Now, second, we're going to shake the bottles thoroughly. They have mixers in them, and so you want to make sure that you get a really good mixture inside the bottle before you apply it to your applicator. Then, after you've applied it to your applicator, you just put the product on. Now, if you're doing this on a painted surface, you can tape off that surface, or you can just make sure you have your towel and wipe off any excess as quickly as possible. Now, once you apply the product to the surface, I would give it about 10 to 20 minutes dwell time, meaning that you're gonna let the product sit and actually do its thing where it's adhering to the plastics. Then, after that 20 minutes is up, you want to take a dry microfiber towel and buff the remaining excess off the surface. Now, if you need to reapply and do a second coat, this is the time in which to do it. You do not need to do a prep step with any alcohol or anything like that. You can just use more Solution Finish and apply it in the exact same way. Wait 10 to 20 minutes and then wipe it clean. Now, Solution Finish, when properly applied, will last up to 2 years on your plastic surfaces. And you can ceramic coat on top of treated Solution Finish panels. However, if the Solution Finish starts to die back and you have a ceramic coating on top, you aren't going to be able to Solution Finish again over the top of that ceramic coating. Now, if you don't want to use a ceramic coating, you can use any type of paint sealant over the top of the surfaces, including Solution Finish's own over the top. So there you have it, the easy way to apply Solution Finish to your plastics and trim on your vehicle. Pick up a bottle a day, try it out for yourself, and we'll catch you on the next one. Thanks for watching.